zipper, cutter, marker, 2 plastic bottles. Let's get started! Use a marker to draw the line. Cut the line with your cutter. Let's glue the zipper with glue gun. Let's be careful because we might get hurt. It's hot! We can do this with the help of our parents or elders. Lastly, zip it up.